Welcome to the wild side of the USA. From the roaring mountain lion to the playful dolphin, the mighty bison to the elusive desert fox. How well do you know these fascinating creatures? Let's put your knowledge to the test in the Smart Mind quiz.
What is the national animal of the USA? Bald eagle, American bison, gray wolf. The answer is bald eagle. Which animal is known for its dam building abilities? Beaver, otter, muskrat. The right answer is beaver. What is the fastest land animal in North America? Coyote, cougar, pronghorn antelope. Answer is pronghorn antelope. Which animal is native to the deserts of the USA? Roadrunner, red fox timber, rattlesnake. The answer is roadrunner. Which large mammal can be found in the Yellowstone National Park? American bison, mountain lion, grizzly bear. Right answer is American bison. What type of bird migrates from Mexico to the USA? Peregrine falcon, bald eagle, monarch butterfly. The answer is monarch butterfly. Which animal is the largest land carnivore in the USA? Mountain lion, grizzly bear, coyote. Right answer is grizzly bear. Which mammal can often be seen along the California coast? Sea otter, dolphin, manatee. Yes, it is sea otter. What is the most common venomous snake in the USA? Cottonmouth, rattlesnake, coral snake. The answer is rattlesnake. Which deer species is known for its large antlers in the USA? White-tailed deer, mule deer, elk. Answer is elk. Which nocturnal animal is recognized by its mask-like facial markings? Raccoon, skunk, bobcat. Right answer is raccoon. Where would you find the American alligator in the USA? Everglades, Florida, Pacific Northwest, Great Plains. Everglades, Florida. What animal is also known as the American buffalo? American bison, moose, elk. The right answer is American bison. Which small mammal hibernates during the winter months? Groundhog, beaver, muskrat. The answer is groundhog. What bird is the fastest in North America? Peregrine falcon, golden eagle, red-tailed hawk. Answer is peregrine falcon. What kind of animal is a gopher tortoise? Mammal, reptile, amphibian. The answer is reptile. Which bear species is native to the western USA? Polar bear, black bear, grizzly bear. Right answer is grizzly bear. Which animal is famous for its howling and lives in packs? Gray wolf, coyote, red fox. Yes, it is gray wolf. What type of deer is commonly found in forests throughout the USA? White-tailed deer, mule deer, Elk. The answer is white-tailed deer. Which marine mammal breaches along the Alaskan coast? Humpback whale, dolphin, narwhal. It is humpback whale. What animal is often spotted scavenging in urban areas? Skunk, coyote, raccoon. The answer is raccoon. Which bird is known for its hooting call at night? Barn owl, great horned owl, bald eagle. Answer is great horned owl. What is the largest rodent in North America? Capybara, beaver, muskrat. Right answer is beaver. Which animal uses echolocation to navigate and catch prey? Bat, owl, dolphin. The answer is bat. What animal is commonly seen migrating along the Mississippi Flyway? Canada goose, sandhill crane, whooping crane. Answer is sandhill crane. Which species of wild cat is native to North America? Lion, bobcat, lynx. Right answer is bobcat. What animal is known for digging burrows in the prairies of the USA? Prairie dog, gopher, armadillo. Right answer is prairie dog. Which animal is often seen in the Grand Canyon, jumping across rocks? Bighorn sheep, mountain goat, mule deer. The answer is bighorn sheep. What fish species is commonly found in the Great Lakes? Salmon, trout, catfish. Answer is trout. Which bird is often seen soaring above the Rocky Mountains? Bald eagle, golden eagle, peregrine falcon. The right answer is golden eagle. Which snake can be found in the swamps of the southern USA? Copperhead, cottonmouth, coral snake. Yes, it is cottonmouth. What is the name of the bird that hammers on trees to find insects? Hummingbird, woodpecker, blue jay. Answer is woodpecker. What large mammal is known for its iconic hump and is found in Alaska? Moose, caribou, grizzly bear. The right answer is moose. What animal is commonly known as a trash panda? Opossum, raccoon, skunk. Yes, it is raccoon. Which fish is famous for its spawning migration in the Pacific Northwest? Salmon, tuna, bass. The answer is salmon. What is the primary predator of deer in the USA? Coyote, mountain lion, gray wolf. Right answer is mountain lion. Which desert animal has long ears that help dissipate heat? Jackrabbit, armadillo, desert tortoise. Answer is jackrabbit. What small mammal is often seen barking in the prairies? Prairie dog, groundhog, chipmunk. Right answer is prairie dog. What animal is known for its slow movement and hangs upside down in trees? Sloth, opossum, armadillo. It is a possum. What kind of whale can be spotted off the coast of Hawaii during winter? Gray whale, humpback whale, blue whale. The answer is humpback whale. Which bird is commonly seen in coastal areas, scavenging for food? Seagull, osprey, pelican. Yes, it is seagull. Which mammal is the largest living species of terrestrial carnivore? Grizzly bear, polar bear, American bison. The right answer is polar bear. Which animal changes the color of its fur to white in the winter? Arctic fox, snowshoe hare, ermine. The right answer is ermine. What type of animal is a chipmunk? Rodent, marsupial, insectivore. Answer is rodent. Which animal is famous for playing dead when threatened? Armadillo, opossum, skunk. Right answer is opossum. Which type of bear can only be found in the wild in Alaska? Polar bear, black bear, grizzly bear. It is polar bear. What is the most common mammal in North America? White-tailed deer, coyote, squirrel. The answer is squirrel. What large fish is commonly caught in the Gulf of Mexico? Tuna, grouper, marlin. Right answer is grouper. What bird is known for its distinct red feathers and is common in the eastern USA? Cardinal, blue jay, robin. Answer is cardinal. Which animal is known for its thick fur and lives in the mountains of the western USA? Mountain goat, bighorn sheep, moose. The answer is mountain goat.
Thanks for tuning in to Smart Mind Quiz. Stay curious, stay smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting quizzes.